So we're going to be reviewing and making food in the Easy Bake Oven.
And a cookie.
Yes, and make some cookies. So let's see. Here's the box.
I can see it. I like somebody. I can see it. The soup box.
Okay, now Luna, pull it out. Here, let me help you. Okay. Hold that part up. Now we're gonna pour it out here.
Yeah. What is this? Oh, what is that?
It's your first Easy Bake Oven. Yeah, I had one when I was a kid too.
You was kid and Taker was kid, because I was a kid now. I was a kid. Wow.
Wow.
Wow, that's cool.
That is cool. Let's see.
Oh, this is. Wow, this is so.
Okay.
This is so fun.
And remember, kids, always have your parents to help you, right, Luna?
Okay. Let's turn it around.
Yeah, let's turn it around. Okay, so after searching the internet, we found out we can use the Pillsbury chocolate chip cookies. So we're gonna probably try and just use maybe 2 for right now, just to see how it works out. The oven is on. We're just waiting for it to heat all the way up, and then we're gonna put the cookies in. We have to let the oven heat for 20 minutes. So right now we're gonna get our chocolate chip cookies ready. Okay, Luna?
Yeah.
After we get done with the cookies, we gotta wash our hands, okay?
Oh, I tasted it.
Mm-hmm.
I tasted it on my hands. My baby.
Okay.
Look, my hands is.
Okay, put it right there.
Oh.
Good job, Luna. Let's see if we can squeeze one more. Here, let me break it for you. Then you can put it on there.
I put on it.
Okay, yeah, put it on there. Hopefully.
Put on here.
Right here. Right there.
Okay. Oh.
Good job. Okay, we're gonna see how this turns out.
Just one more.
No, 3's good for right now. The oven is still preheating. So
Does he
we're
think?
gonna get it ready. We're gonna put these back in the ice box. Okay, so now we're gonna put the cookies in there.
Wow.
Taking a noodle break.
Wait.
Okay, got the cookies into here. Okay, they're completely all the way in now. We'll wait 14 minutes and then take out the cookies. And remember to always have your parents to help because it's really hot. Okay, we got the cookies out and they are done. Wow, Luna and Lily, they look really good. I'm gonna put marshmallows on them.
Yeah.
So we're gonna put marshmallows on our cookies. You can put icing, whipped cream, anything you want on your cookies. And again, you can use Pillsbury dough chocolate chip cookies in an Easy Bake Oven.
No.
It works.
Even marshmallows.
I will put the directions at the bottom.
Even marshmallows.
Can you say bye?
Bye.
Thanks for watching.
Now I put
Marshmallows.
marshmallows.